হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি স্পর্শ গ্রুপের পক্ষ থেকে। তো ফার্স্ট অফ অল we are sorry that for that because আহ, আমরা প্রতি সপ্তাহে আমরা রবিবারের দিনে আহ, ভিডিওগুলো দিয়ে থাকি, বাট আনফরচুনেটলি উই লেট ওয়ান ডেজ। আমরা আজকে ভিডিওটা দিচ্ছি আর কি। নাও we will discuss the main topics. Uh, we will discuss about the in this week what will happen in this week in forex market. We will discuss that 25 July to 28 July 2023, and we will discuss the most important news uh, in this week have there, and what happening to the next uh, this week. For the we will forecast that what will happen in this week, because in this week we can start our topics. uh, July, today, July, yes, July 25, 25th July. In there we can see that the German IFO business climate, and this is the news of Bangladesh time, 2 p.m. and United States USD CB consumer confidence. This is the around 8 8 p.m. Bangladesh time, and 26 26 July 2013 2003 23, Australian inflation rate, and the 27 27 July we will see that the most important and news in there, and Bangladesh time, this is the 12 a.m. 12 a.m. Federal Reserve interest rate, মানে USD, that means USD interest rate, and we'll see that 12 p.m. 12 p.m. This is the uh, Germany GFK consumer confidence, and have the 6 12 15 p.m. Bangladesh time, uh, ECB interest rate, and United States news. United States have durable goods order and GDP growth rate, and 6 45 p.m. ECB press conference. And if I see that uh, 28 July 2023, in there we can see that 9 a.m. Bangladesh time, Japan interest rate. Very much important news. And after 2 p.m. Germany's GDP growth rate, inflation rate, and 6:30 United States core uh, PCE price index, and 8 p.m. machine consumer sentiment final. So that means we will see that in this week uh, a lot of news of US dollar, and most important news is US dollar interest rate, and Euro interest rate have also in at the same days, and after next week, next days, that means 28, that's been Fridays, uh, Japanese yen interest rate. So that means we will see GBP have no news, catch no news. For the we will discuss the main important news. That's when Australian have the one news in available in this week, and NZ have no news. That's means so most of the people who are the thinking this week, they are most highly impacts in there for the US dollar interest rate. Everyone are seen what will happen the interest rate. It uh, can increase for the interest rate or decrease for the interest rate. Now we'll see that uh, interest rate have for the US dollar interest rate have 5.25. So most of the uh, influencer or model analyst are thinking previous he it is continuous up increase the interest rate, but I think that it will not be, increase the interest rate. It will try to stable or try to decrease the interest rate. How much? And we will think that it will be around 5.00. This is the standard at this moment, because US inflation rate now at this moment it's goods. That means inflation rate decrease for the previous uh, rate. So that's why they will think that I hope it will be decreased 5.5. I hope 5.00, and it will be continue for around at least 1 or 2 months in this price. And we will think that now we'll see that the euros interest rate it have also 4.00. I hope that it will not change for the interest rate. It continue this interest rate 4.00. They will not change that, and we will see the uh, J, JPY's interest rate for more times. It was minus 0.10, and I hope they will not change at this moment, because or something they can change something, because already they have the lots of inflation in there. Their currencies value decreased from the US dollar or other currencies. That's why they will think JPY is in can how can they can increase the interest rate JPYs, and now we think that today or in the next month, this interest rate or the next interest rate they will increase. That means it had now at this moment minus point minus 0.10. They could uh, minus 0.7 7.5 7. I think they can change the point 0.5, something like that. So now we go to the main market. Now we'll see that for the Euro USD. If I see that Euro USD also down at this moment, downtrend in this moment start. They was try to down because for the last Fridays, that means 21 Fridays, he tried to stable in this market and continuously downtrend in this in their যে যদি এরকম ভাবে চিন্তা করি যে মার্কেট আসলে চেষ্টা করতেছিল যে মানে উপরের দিকে যাবে যাবে করে, বাট somehow they could not uh, manage this, and it also down at this moment. So now, if we can see that for the GBP USD, GBP USD also uh, try to just try to down. But I think that if it is makes some down, but it could be up for the news, delivered for this news, because now we can see that the GBP also very much strong for the other currencies. That's why now we see that yes, yeah, now we see that for the GBP is very much strong at this moment, and I hope it will not come to the down for at this moment. If the if it downtrend start, আই হোপ ইট উইল বি, এটা আসলে ওইভাবে এখনই এটা বলা যাচ্ছে না যে এখন এটা শুরু করবে। তবে যে এটা জিবিপি যদি নামতে হয়, তাহলে আমার কাছে যতটুকু মনে হচ্ছে যে আসলে আ জুলাই, আগস্ট, সেপ্টেম্বর, অক্টোবরের আগে নামার সম্ভাবনা কিন্তু কম। তবে তার আগে উপরে একটা আ ইয়ে করে তারপরে কিন্তু নামার সম্ভাবনা আছে। তো সেই জায়গা থেকে যারা আসলে জিবিপি ট্রেডার, I hope they are they could be alert for যারা আছে যে আসলে যারা also they are also seller. So that's why আমরা যদি এভাবে চিন্তা করি যে odd USD, odd USD also this is the between a price or ranging markets that they are trying to be ranging markets, and NZ also very much stable at this moment. They could try to an uptrend start. Uh, Now is today we will see that NZ USD also up, USD also down. Yeah, also GBP USD, GBP USD just range the price of range the market, and NZ also up, USD USD CHF also up. So what will think that now we think that the, uh, almost every currencies have US dollar will sum of prices আপনার interest rate আগে they could be strong, but after they can after the news it can lose his values. uh, that means ইউএস ডলার কিন্তু যদিও ইন্টারেস্ট রেটের পরে যদি কোনো কারণে যদি ইন্টারেস্ট রেট না বাড়ায় বা কোনো কিছু এনিথিং যে কোনো কিছুই হইতে পারে, এটা চেঞ্জ হলেও আপনার হচ্ছে স্ট্রং হতে পারে, চেঞ্জ না হলেও স্ট্রং হতে পারে, বিকজ it could some of reason different as to GDP, CPI, CPI, something like that, all over the thinking include in there. তো এইটা ওটার সাথে ইনক্লুডিং করার পরে দে ক্যান চেঞ্জ দ্য সামথিং মার্কেট, what will happen, the US dollar would like to strong or weak. So now we discuss the for the all currencies who are just we can just get the forecasting in this in the market for this week. What will happen there? Now we see that USD CHF also very much strong at this moment. They can ups in this week for anyhow, but something like that after news they can chase the market. But now at this moment we can see the USD CHF, that's in CHF also very much weak at this moment. And USD also down, USD also down for the before the interest rate. Uh, NZUSD also strong by from the US dollar at this moment, and I hope that they will try to up from there. And USD JPY, this is the very much vulnerable currencies. But now we see that the USD JPY also very up, very much up. So it could be. I hope that in their uh, 146, 146 they can, or 147, something like that, that they could be come in there in this week. But most of the people who are the thinking that they use this month use the JPY just like a downtrend. But I hope that they could try to stop loss from there or something. Who are the seller at this moment, they could be try to how can I take the stop loss from in these places, and they can try to change the emotion from this market. So this is the nature of market. I hope that, and now we see that the USD CAD also try to down, and just if the not if will not down, but it could be try to sum of range of price. So that's why uh, আপনি যদি এভাবে চিন্তা করেন যে একটা USD CAD কিন্তু একটা যদি উপরে না উঠতে হয় তাহলে কিন্তু আপনার একটু নির্দিষ্ট রেঞ্জের ভিতরে কিন্তু অবস্থান করবে। And GBCAT also trying to down. I hope that could be down in this week. And EuroCatch also down, so no doubt about this. And EuroCatch, Euro odd something, because odd also is strong from the euros. That's why Euro odd also down. Euro GBP also. This is the indecision market. They could not make the decision what will why will we why will go this market. That's why they can something, some of price of up, some of price of down. After the next month, they could make the decision up or down. So that's why we will see the wait the next month for the Euro GBP. And or JPY also uptrend, because we see that the or also strong and JPY also weak. That's why or JPY weak, and CAT JPY also, this is the uptrend, no doubt about this. And they could come to the market at least 110 something like that. I hope that they could be try to come to this price after they can make the decision what will happen there. And GBP also also I also said that the GBP also trying to downtrend, but they could not do this because most of the people who are the buyer at this moment GBP from the US dollar. That means the GBP USD. So I hope GBP USD at this moment it will not come from there. So now you see that or GPU or USD also have changed. This is and GBP GPU something like to trying to just pick the down, but I hope that that could just in this price at this moment who can come there at around 200 pips come to down, but in that you get the touch the price after they could that means the 179 something like price around in this price it could become in there, and after who can come back again for the ups, and they can go to the more ups from there. I hope that it will not come from the uh, GBP December before the October November before the October November they could not come from the JPY. And JPY also at the same, it will not come from the before the October November December, after who can try to NZ Euro NZ also come to the just some like of this is can gambling in this uh, yeah. Now at this moment it is just getting a few price uh, and range in the market, and GBP odd also ups, no ups something like that. Yes. Now at this moment could be try to just down. If the down price, I hope that will um around 200 pips or 100 pips down in price, but it could be up again. And CHF JPY. CHF JPY most because CHF before from the JPY, CHF also weak from the CHF JPY from the JPY. CHF also weak from the JPY. That's why we will think that just before the interest rate JPYs, it could something like that. They can try to down from there. Uh, and Euro JPY also trying, but I hope that now at this moment it could not be down at this moment. So that's why we will see that for the big interest rate and euro interest rate, JPY interest, US dollar interest rate, what will happen? Because is the, if you think that just for the interest rate, and if you think for interest rate can US dollar will be US dollar can if the market US dollar when the US dollar interest rate the up, and you will see that the next days it could be come back again. তো দ্যাটস মিনস মানে আমি যেটা বলতে চাচ্ছি সেটা হচ্ছে কি যদি ইউএস ডলার ইন্টারেস্ট রেটের যদি দেখেন যে মার্কেট আপে চলে গিয়েছে, তাহলে দেখবেন যে পরের দিন কারা যে পরের দিন মানে আমরা তো মূলত হচ্ছে রাত 12টার সময় ইন্টারেস্ট রেট, তো পরের দিন দেখা যাচ্ছে যে এরকম যে ইউরো ইন্টারেস্ট রেট বা যে ইন্টারেস্ট রেট গুলো আছে ওই মার্কেট আবার পরের দিন ব্যাক করে চলে আসবে। সেক্ষেত্রে মনে করেন যারা হু আর দ্য আপনি ইউ ক্যান ওয়েট ফর দ্য নেক্সট ডেজ ইউ where will go this market, and if the market up for the interest rate US dollar, and you can wait for the next days and you can sell from there. This is the I hope that this is the best decision for you if you wait for this. And now you see that the gold market is very much just before between the price of ranging market in this price. So now at this moment, we will see that the gold also up uptrend market. No, but just some like of you can buy from there for the gold. And oil oil also, also said that oil price will come back and around the 80 price, you can see there from in this market. So now, thank you very much for our videos. Always, if you are see our full videos, because now our today our videos is much more, uh, but I will trying to understand of you, because uh, market condition now at this moment very much vulnerable, very much critical. So that's why uh, আমি আপনাদের চেষ্টা করেছি যে আমার জায়গা থেকে যে আপনাদেরকে যতটুকু পরিমাণে বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করা যায়, যে আসলে যেহেতু এখন বর্তমান অবস্থায় খুব ক্রিটিক্যাল অবস্থায় আছে, এই জায়গা থেকে যদি একটা ভালো ফিডব্যাক ডিসিশন নেওয়াটা খুব কঠিন। দ্যাটস ওয়াই now we finally we can say for the for this special attraction for your trade. Now you can buy for the USD CHF. This is the best pair at this moment. So for your all of you, thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye. সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন।